Baobab oil is pale yellow oil extracted by cold pressing the seeds of the fruit of the baobab tree that belongs to the Bombycaceae family and is said to be one of the best-known tree in Africa, native to Africa, Madagascar, Australia, and Arabia. It contains vitamins A, D, E. Baobab oil is used in small percentages in creams, lotions, body butters, and other skincare formulas, in fact. And it is an excellent choice when it comes to skincare. Baobab dry fruit pulp is also used in making juice, tea, and ice cream and is mixed with other ingredients to make baby foods. Baobab oil is only to be used topically on the skin, as it is not suitable for oral consumption. Baobab oil absorbs into the body quickly. As a result, it improves elasticity, encourages regeneration of cells, and does not clog pores. It is often used to treat dandruff or itchy scalp, eczema, psoriasis, and rosacea problems due to the omega-3, 6 and 9 contained in the oil. It is also said to alleviate pain from burns and regenerates the epithelial tissues in a short time, thereby improving skin tone and elasticity. Baobab oil is not only good for skin but your hair too. You can apply it alone after shampooing your hair as a conditioner and then rinse it out after a few minutes. You can also just add a drop or two of baobab oil to your regular hair conditioner. It can also be used as a leave-in conditioner, whichever way works for you. Just rub a few drops in your palms and then apply throughout your hair for gloss conditioning. And this will definitely help to maintain a healthy growing hair. When using baobab oil specifically to moisturize dry skin problems, use the oil every day for a few weeks, until the skin feels better. Baobab oil is non-toxic and is safe to use on children and pregnant women.